dimension shown. So first we need to create this drawing. So this will going to have a depth of about 15 mm. So this is the total depth is 15 mm, and this contour will be to a depth of 10 mm from here to here. So this is the dimension here. The dimension of depth is not shown. So we need to create this. So to do this, first we are going to create the model of this particular dimension. So now to do this, so we go for, first we're going to create a square of 100 mm. So go to line. So we will go to take the center point of this line. So from here we draw a 100 mm square. So go to X form, offset, take 50 mm from here, and also from here, and also from here. So from this side. So now we'll go to fit. So go to extend this line till here, this line till here, so this line till here, and this line till here. So 1/2 is done. So now this one, so on this corner it is over. Similarly on this corner we have done this. Now we will go to extend this line till here, this line till here, this line till here, and this line till here. So now we will create, so go to offset, X form, offset, take the distance as 10. So from here you take 10, again from here you take 10. So this is the dimension. So now we will going to create a circle of, sorry. So go to circle, take this intersection point till to this intersection point, then go to trim this line. Then again you trim this line till here. Now we will going to create a line from this on this side. So again we will go to circle. So take this intersection point to this intersection point. Then again you trim this till here. Then we need to trim, sorry. So go to trim this line till here. Now we will going to create a line from here on this end point. So then go to offset, go to X form, go to offset, take the distance as 10. So from this also, similarly from this side. So go to circle, take this intersection point till here, and from here this intersection till here. Then you delete these exterior lines, you delete. Then we need to trim this. So go to trim this portion, again trim this portion. Then you need to trim this portion. Now you go to line, from end point you create this line. Then go to trim. Now we need to trim this, and also trim this, and go to erase. Then similarly you trim this, and then you trim between these two. Then you trim this portion. Then you extend this arc, till here. So we need to trim this portion, till here. Then you go to erase this. So go to line command. So go to line. So take this endpoint till here. Then go to extend. Select this extend. So now we'll go for, again we'll delete this and we're going to create one more arc. So go to circle, take this intersection point, the radius is 10, so go to trim this, so go to trim, so trim it on, trim this. So here you go to trim this portion till here and go to extend this line, extend. So here you trim along this portion, trim this till here and go to extend this line till here. Then you delete now you trim this portion till here, this portion till here, so this portion till here and this portion till here. So now this is the outer profile has been completed. Now we will go to the inner portion. So to do that, so we'll go for X form, go to offset, take the distance as 10 from this side and also from this side. You take 10 mm on this side and take a circle of diameter, 10. So go to circle, you take this intersection point and take the diameter as 10. Then similarly you just go to X form, offset, take 10 mm on this side also, now on this side and also on this side, and go to circle and draw a circle of diameter 10 on this side. Then you go to erase this, all these 4 entities you erase it. Now we have the circle. Now we will go for this rectangle 23 by 23. So go to X form, offset, take the distance as 23. So from here and also from here, and then go to offset, take the distance as 15 by 10. So you take 15 mm on this side and also 10 mm on this side. Then go to trim this line till here, 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 till here, trim this line till here, trim this line till here, this here. Then again we go for offset. So now it is 7 by 7. So go to X form, offset, take the distance as 7. So from this side and also from this side. Again 15 on this side and again 10 mm on this side. Then go to trim this till here, trim this till here, trim this till here, trim this till here, till here, trim this till here, trim this till here, trim this till here. So this is how we will be able to create the model. So once you create the model, you just go to erase these two and delete it. Now we will go for the mill. Go to default, then click on properties, click on stock setup, go to select corners, select on this side and also on this side, and enter the value of Z as 15. So that means we are going to have the thickness of the block as 15. Then we will go for tool paths, click on 2D high speed. So right tick, click on chain. So we will going to take, select on outside. So you go to outside, select contour chain 1 as 100 mm horizontal line entity, and then select contour 2 20 mm on this side. So both will going to have the same direction. Click on right tick. Then select on dynamic core mill. Click on linking parameters. Enter the depth value as -10. Click on tool. Click on select library tool. Click on 120, that is 5 mm in mill. OK. Click on right tick to clear the dialog box. So now the outside machining will going to take place with reference to the contour. Then click on tool paths. Click on drill. Click on select drill position on the graphic screen of this and also on this. Then click on right tick to clear this dialog box. Then click on drill. Click on tool. Select from library tool. Click on 10 mm drill at 110. So 110 10 mm drill. Click on linking parameters, right tick, click on linking parameters. Enter the depth value as -20. Click on right tick to clear the dialog box. So both these drilling operations has been done. Again go to click on tool path. Click on pocket. Click on chain. Click on top line entity of this square, of course inside. Click on OK. Click on 2D pocket. Click on tool. Click on select from library tool. Then click on select 4 mm. So 4 mm means it is 118. Then click on right tick. Click on linking parameters. Enter the depth value as -17. So we're going to have this machining of this. Again you go for repeat the same procedure. Click on tool path. Click on pocket. Click on chain. You click on this and say OK. Then you will have the pocket. Click on tool. So you select the same tool which is of 118 and I will say OK. Now this machining has been taken place, has completed. Now we have completed all the profile. Now we will go for generating up M&G codes. You just click on OK and enter the development of tool number 9. So now we will be able to generate the profile of M&G codes which need to be fed to the machine. So we're going to have 4624 lines. So now we need to go for the simulation. Go to isometric view. Click on verified selected operations. Click on machine. So the profile machining will going to take place. So this is how you'll be able to generate the component profile by using